Hello everybody, and today we're off to a far-flung destination. Can you tell where it is yet? Konnichiwa, that's right, we're in the magical city of Tokyo. Oh, this place is absolutely buzzing. It's like a Mad Max transport convention. These are the street karts of Japan. There's 2 or 3 companies doing them. Tokyokart as well. A 2-hour kart journey will cost you about 15,000 yen or just under £80. Japanese car company Nissan has its headquarters in Yokohama.
Yes. A little bit of what you fancy, check it out.
So we're at this busy junction waiting on the lights change. Oh, Cyclist, just like the UK, never mind the lights, they don't apply to you. Here's another Cyclist on the handlebars, that's popmart, available in the UK. Here's some I filmed, starting at say £12 or so. Oh, the traffic lights never change when you want them to. So there's another Tokyokart, that make, and 3-wheel motorbike there. Right, I think we're getting going now. Tokyo, population of 14 million. They drive on the left-hand side of the road. As you can see, that looks great fun, doesn't it? Oh, good fun for under £80. Also known as the Mario Karts. But I think all 14 million have turned out today on this equally busy junction. So let's have a look at some serious cars. Right, can you tell what it is yet? That's right, it's a Mclaren 720. Nice, eh? Let's have a closer look. You'll see the steering wheel on the right hand side, and of course the drive on the left side of the road. Oh, it's all kicking off here for now. So that's it from Japan. I'll catch you next time out with myself, Stevo, on SLR.tv.